Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the world of technology news and product reviews to help you make the best choices for your tech needs. Today we're talking about Powerline Ethernet adapters, which are a game changer if you have spotty Wi-Fi coverage. Powerline Ethernet adapters transform your home's electrical wiring into a high-speed network, offering an innovative solution for extending internet connectivity without the need for additional cables. Number 1. TPLink AV2000. Let's kick things off with the TPLink AV2000 Powerline adapter. Picture this: lightning-fast data transfer rates of up to 2000 Mbps, ensuring all your online needs are met without a hitch. Say goodbye to buffering during movie nights or lag spikes during intense gaming sessions. With 2 gigabit ports, you'll enjoy seamless connectivity across your home, reaching up to 300 meters. Plus, its power-saving mode slashes energy consumption by up to 85%, saving both your wallet and the planet. Number 2. TPLink AV1000 Nano. Next up, we have the TPLink AV1000 Powerline Adapter Starter Kit Nano size. Imagine effortless setup with plug-and-play functionality, allowing you to enjoy blazing fast wired connections in minutes. With data transfer rates of up to 1000 Mbps, you'll experience smooth streaming on your smart TV or lag-free gaming on your console. Plus, its patented power-saving mode ensures efficiency without compromising performance. Who knew extending your network could be so simple and effective? Number 3. TPLink AV1000. Now let's talk about versatility with the TPLink AV1000 Powerline Ethernet adapter. This sleek adapter not only provides high-speed data transfer rates of up to 2000 Mbps, but also boasts an extra power socket for additional devices. Bid farewell to cluttered outlets and hello to a streamlined setup. With its plug-and-play design, compatibility with various Powerline adapters, and advanced encryption, your network remains safe and secure at all times. Number 4. Netgear PLP2000. Enter the Netgear PLP2000 Powerline Adapter Kit, your ticket to gigabit speeds through your electrical outlets. Say goodbye to Wi-Fi dead zones and hello to seamless connectivity for all your devices. Whether you're streaming in 4K or engaging in lag-free gaming, this adapter delivers unparalleled performance. With its extra plug featuring a noise-filtered power outlet, you can maintain peak performance without sacrificing convenience. It's time to expand your network coverage effortlessly. Number 5. Zyxel AV2000. Last but certainly not least, we have the Zyxel AV2000 Powerline Ethernet Adapter Starter Kit. Offering lightning-fast data transfer speeds of up to 2000 Mbps, this adapter is your gateway to uninterrupted streaming and gaming experiences. With its integrated power socket and 2 gigabit Ethernet ports, connecting multiple devices has never been easier. Plus, its simple setup ensures you'll be up and running in minutes without the hassle of complicated configurations. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're a speed demon, a budget-conscious shopper, or someone who values aesthetics, there's a Powerline Ethernet adapter out there for you. Say goodbye to Wi-Fi woes and hello to reliable connectivity with these fantastic products. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay connected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, Today's Tech Bites, for more tech reviews, and drop a comment below sharing your thoughts and experiences with Powerline Ethernet adapters. Your feedback helps us grow,